Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Beauty by Nisha, and for today's video, we are creating this cute candy princess look for Halloween. I just wanted to do a cute, simple glam for Halloween. I wanted to wear like a super cute wig. I wanted to do something bright and bubbly, you know, and I found like a few different types of like inspiration for this look, and I really tried to pull it together here. It's not super hard. It's a very easy look. All you have to do is find the right wig. I bought this wig on Amazon. It was very inexpensive. It was below $30. I think it was like $25.99 or $29.99. I will link everything down below in the description that I used for this look, so that you can buy the things on Amazon if you decide to do something like this as well. The wig is like super cute. It has like two like clip-in like pigtails, so it's like you don't even have to use them if you don't want to, but they really just add to this look, so I had to use them. They're so cute. So if you want to see how we created this look, then continue to watch and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I've got my little eyeshadow pads on so I can do like a crisp like eyeshadow look. I don't know how to describe it any other way, but for this look I'm going to actually be using the Colourpop Cloud Dye palette. So I think these palettes are super cute. They're very like, you know, tie-dye, pastel-y, you know, and like honestly, like I really like them, and I've actually been really loving Colourpop palettes. They're so pigmented and the formula is so good. I'm actually really impressed because even the price point is like really good. So I've been really enjoying their palettes, and I thought these palettes would be super perfect for this look. So it comes in this cute little box, and then you've got all of your palettes. So the palette that I think is going to be the absolute best for this look is going to be the Trance. It has pretty much all of your very pastel-y kind of candy colors. Okay, so let's get started. So from this palette, what I'm going to start with is I'm actually going to start with this pink color here. That's going to be my main color for this look, I think, and that is Daydream Baby. Okay, so now that we have applied that shade, I am going to go in with this one here, and that is the shade Up Level, and I'm just going to blend it out on the outer crease. Okay, and then I'm going to take this Own Your Power one. Ooh. Own Your Power, and I'm gonna put it over the rest of my lid. And then I'm gonna put on my eyeliner, and I'm gonna put on my lashes, and then I'll be right back. So I did make a little change when I was doing my eyeliner and my lashes. I thought I would kind of do something a little bit different than what I was doing. I actually only just took this Daydream shade, this pink one here, and I just kind of like put it all the way up to my brows. I just think it makes it more like candy, like, I don't know. I just think it adds a little bit more to the actual eye look itself. And it actually didn't turn out too bad. I was like, okay, this is either gonna go really well or it's gonna go really bad. And it actually turned out okay. So I actually am impressed with my little idea that I had there. So for this look, what I really want to do to like tie it together is I really want to have very pink bright blush. So I am using the Colourpop Sailor Moon Cat's Eye blush. I love it. It's got like a little bit of like a pink shimmer to it too, so it's like really good. I really like it. So I am just gonna like pack that baby on because I really want those rosy cheeks, like I am not holding back on this. Like, let's get that rosy pinkness in there. Let's finish the eye look. So back to the palettes. I am going to be using this Crown Chakra pink shade here. I'm going to be putting it under my lid, like on the bottom here. And I'm going to take liner and I'm just going to darken it up just a tidbit because I am going to use a lighter liner after. Then I have my Colourpop cream gel liners. I'm going to actually use the white one and I'm going to do it along my bottom. I am kind of digging this pink. It's like really, really pink. So I'm actually gonna use a little bit of that, and I'm actually gonna go along the, not on the, like actual on the bottom lid. I'm actually gonna take a little bit of this blue shade here, and it's called Future Self, and I'm just gonna put it right here, just in the inner tear duct. I'm gonna just do a little bit, just to make it pop a little bit more in there. Just a little bit more like icy blue than the other one. It's kind of like a purple, but we really want it to like pop in there. And I'm gonna add a little bit of a shimmer, so I'm gonna add a little bit of this All Aura Again, this little shimmery one, and I'm just gonna put it right in the tear duct. Let's get into the hard stuff. We're gonna start gluing stuff to our face. So I bought these like little charms that you can buy on Amazon. Usually kids use them for like slime, and they like put it in the slime, but the charms are like flat on one side, so you could actually use them for crafting and stuff too. For me, I am not going to use them for crafting. I am actually going to glue them to my face. So the set that I bought for these little charms, I bought the candy one. So it came in a set of 3 different types of ones. It was the best price and you got the most, so I thought it was pretty cool because I think I might use the other ones for something else. So you get some candy charms, and then you get some fruit and ice cream charms. This one's kind of a mix of both, but they're so cute. So I'm like, oh my god, I think I will end up using these for something else later on. But today we're just going to use the candy ones. So the candy ones come with like such a big variety, like this big lollipop, and you have like little candies. Like, they feel like pretty good quality too, so I'm actually impressed and I'm quite excited to see how this actually works. I'm going to be using eyelash glue to glue them to my face, so hopefully this works the way I expect it to, okay? I have no idea, I've never done this before, so this like lollipop I think is one of my favorite ones in the whole set. And you'll see it's like flat on one side and then just like normal on the other. And I think I'm going to put this one, I want to put it up here on my forehead. I think that's the best spot for it. Or forehead, yeah. We could put it this way. Yeah, let's do that. Oh my god. It's heavy, so I don't know how well it's actually going to stick. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. I don't even know what to expect. So I'm going to use a Q-tip to like even it out. I'm gonna stick the first one. Okay, let's see if this works. Oh my god. I think it's good. I just wouldn't move around too much. So I'm going to start adding some little rhinestones in between the candies and stuff, and I'm going to use a couple different colors. I'm going to use like like the purples, pinks here, and the blues, and maybe some of like these more like silver shimmery ones up here at the top. So we'll start sticking those on. So I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills like loose glitter. I just found it at Winners as like a steal deal. It's like half price, so it was only like 30 bucks, which normally I think it's like $60 to $80 for the set. So it looks like this, but I've already taken these two out. Comes with adhesive. So I'm gonna try it. I've never used it before, so this is gonna be new territory for me. I'm just gonna put like little bits like around where I already put my like jewels and stuff. And I'm gonna use the one in Snowfall. Oh my god, guys, I'm scared. I don't know how well the glitter really shows up on camera, but it really does like show up like in the mirror when I'm looking at it. It's actually pretty good. The adhesive definitely helps. I definitely have quite a bit of glitter everywhere, but not bad actually. I think if I had more like a smaller brush to actually be able to maneuver around, I think it would have been easier. This is actually not bad, so. Okay, and for the lips, I was kind of debating on Wednesdays the Kylie Lip Kit or Candy K. So I have like a very like pink, or I have just like a soft pink. And I think with this look, I think a soft pink is gonna do it. I think this pink is too pink because there's not enough of that pink everywhere else. So we're gonna go in with Candy K, which is actually one of my favorite lip kits. Let's finish up the hair, and there you have it, a super easy, cute candy princess look that you could do for Halloween. I think this look actually turned out just as good as I had hoped. Like maybe there's a few things that I hope like maybe I have a little bit more glitter or already something like that, but I actually really like this wig and the little pigtails that come with it too. Like it's kind of cute. Like it actually just turned out really cute, and I'm happy with how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It's a quick tutorial on just how to, you know, do a quick cute little glam look for Halloween. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that this will help you prepare for Halloween, my favorite season, my favorite time of year besides Christmas. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much. Happy Halloween. Bye.